Charlie Baker and state health officials are now urging all schools, colleges, and universities to cancel overseas trips for the foreseeable future due to the threat of coronavirus. This announcement happening at a press conference this morning. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo getting answers on what local schools are doing to help international students. Audrey joins us live in the studio with more. Audrey?
Only 2 cases of coronavirus have tested positive in Massachusetts, but the biggest concern among health officials is ensuring that no Americans are forced into a quarantine situation in a foreign country or contributing to the spread of the virus here at home. To that end, they're asking colleges, universities, and even high schools to halt their plans for international travel.
We have more than 3,400 international students enrolled currently.
UMass Amherst is currently in the process of bringing more than 160 students home from study abroad programs in Italy. Though no one on the campus has tested positive for the virus and those returning students are being asked to stay away, Chancellor Kumbal Subbaswamy says he's preparing in case COVID-19 reaches Amherst.
We identified on campus places where we can use for isolation, and if we have coronavirus cases here, and we're assembling Go kits.
But for the international students already on campus, UMass is allowing them to stay over spring break and even longer if need be.
Keeping residence halls and dining commons open during the summer, if in fact the contingency calls for they're not going back even during the summer. We are certainly planning an expanded alternative online course delivery in case it escalates to the point where we have to close the campus.
Over at Springfield College, officials are in the process of bringing students home from Italy too.
So we had 15 students over there. We agreed with that decision, and those students are hopefully on their way home. We're suggesting that they stay away from campus for at least 14 days.
They too have not had a positive test for coronavirus on campus, but officials tell Western Mass News they're evaluating possible isolation rooms as a precaution. They're also looking at mass cleaning and ways to assist their international students.
What can we do for our international students that are here over spring break, getting them potentially to stay on campus? We're actually looking at sanitizing our health center during that week and our wellness center.
Western Mass News reaching out to local school districts, and we found 4 are in the process of canceling overseas trips. Wilbraham Munson Academy in particular is also allowing students to stay on campus if they're unable to go home. All of these educational institutions learning one thing very quickly about the coronavirus.
This is a fluid situation.
And this isn't just to countries considered high risk like Italy, Iran, and China, where travel advisories are in place. Elms College, for example, saying they are canceling trips to Jamaica and Nicaragua. Live in studio, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.